Sorry I've gone silent all of a sudden. I will probably keep this little bit in. I'm just talking to Raven for 2 minutes. Hey honey. Hey kids, so I know it's almost that time of year. I dare not actually say the words because I think I'm going to be shot, but it is approaching Christmas. We've just had Halloween. Obviously I've got videos that have gone up and still to come up for Halloween, and I really was not prepared for it as much as I thought I was going to be. So I've decided I'm going to really overly prepare for Christmas this time, so that by the time it actually gets to December I've got like a whole backlog of videos ready to use. So tomorrow I'm going to go on a bit of a filming spree and try and film everything. But while I was setting up, I thought I may as well not miss out on at least making a quick video for bonfire night. Basically just going to do kind of an eye makeup tutorial rather than a whole face, just because I'm going to be putting a lot of makeup on my face tomorrow, so I don't want to overload my pores, my face in 24 hours sort of thing. But without further ado, let's get this tutorial going. Right, so as we're going in with mainly an eye makeup look, I'm going to get my eyelids all nice and primed. I am using the W7 Get Set eyeshadow base in White Pearl. And a new addition to the family is my new lovely number 7. Nowhere. You'll find with a lot of cream things I tend to go in with the brush to start with and then just use my finger to blend it out, because with any kind of cream product you're going to find that your fingers or a warm damp sponge is going to be better for blending it in, because it's going to help melt the product into the skin essentially. Now for this look I've kind of decided I'm going to go for kind of a good representation of a night sky with lots of fireworks going on. So we're going to go in with a lot of blacks and navies and that kind of colour. So to start with, I'm going to get my crease kind of cut in and placed. I'm going to start with the black colour in the Sex Bomb palette from NYX Cosmetics. When using a black or a really dark one, I would find it's easy just to kind of stick on the colour where you want it to be and then blend it out afterwards. So I've literally just pretty much placed it just above my crease on both sides. Next one, with my nice big fluffy brown brush just to help blend that. Pull it underneath the eyes slightly as well. With this look, it is definitely going to be one of those sort of looks that you do need to be doing your foundation after your eyeshadow, just because of the mess that's going to be made underneath the eyes. You're going to have to give that a good scrub anyway. So I might still put some foundation on later so you can see what it looks like without. At this stage we call this the Willem eye. But unlike Willem, we're just going to blend it out a little bit more. If you're anything like me, you'll always notice that one eye will always blend a lot easier than the other. It happens with most people, so don't worry too much about it. Next up, you want to get a really nice dark blue that's in kind of a more of a loose pigment, so it's nice and shimmery and shiny and like that, because we want to create the eyes to make them look like the night sky. You're not really going for the crease, which is where you've got the black, you're going for it right above that. Once you've got that all nice in place, just rub your brush in the back of your hand just to try and get some of the excess off. Now, on the outer side of where you put all that dark colour, you want to brighten it up a little bit. It's the Glitter Ball Makeup Palette by Makeup Academy. I'm going to go in with this silvery kind of colour here. So with this, you're just going to do this on the inner corner of the eye, kind of along the brow. Essentially, you can get away with ending your look here, maybe a bit of eyeliner, mascara, finish your face off, do this off, all that. But I'm going to go a little bit further and I'm going to go into a little bit crazy territory now because I'm going to go into my What I'm also going to do is put a bit of that same silver across my eyelid as well, just to give a nice base. If you use the same brush as what you use your primer on, it will help your powder to stick to the eyelid. And then you've got the base on there as well. Having that extra on the brush as well just makes the product more sticky, and it just adheres a lot better as long as you don't try and blend, and instead you just kind of push the colour into the So we're going to go with my favourite Aquafix now, and we're going to use this to adhere some glitter to the eyes. This is where you've got to be a bit careful, because what we're going to do is try and mimic the effect of fireworks. So first of all, I don't know where I want the explosion. Essentially, you're just making a little bit of sticky area for your glitter to stick to. Then using your finger and place it. You literally, hopefully it's not shining all up in your face with me. You literally take your glitter pot, finger in, oh, you should have a load of glitter that will just naturally stick to your finger anyway. That you're then going to place directly where it's sticky. It out, so that then create like a little sploosh all over. Got to stick a little bit to the primer and everything anyway. It'll just create that little look. And then we're going to take a different colour. You can make sure that they're nice and completely different, so they're going to stick to that. You just want to avoid things like blacks and blues and silvers that are going to blend in with what you've got there. That's why I've gone with the really bright blue, and then this one, which is a nice sort of cherry red kind of colour. So again, let's just get a bit of glue on there. You want to kind of get the first one in kind of the crease where the darkest bit is, and you want the other one to be up here-ish area. Just like last time, you're just kind of pushing it out. You're not trying to create any kind of shape or anything, it's just going to be where you want the main colour to be. Finger dot of colour straight on there. Next I'm just going in with the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade just for my brows. Because of how much details on your eyes, you kind of want to make sure your brows are nice and bold as well. So I'd recommend something like Dip Brow or a thicker brow, something that's going to give you a nice strong brow. Start with the Lime Crime Cement as my base on my lips. Next we're going to go in with OCC Lip Tart in Pretty Boy. And we're just going to put that in kind of the centre of the mouth, so we'll just roll in the back of my hand. As you can see, make a white palette. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go back in where the apple ingest it, that it's not going to irritate your eyes, that kind of thing. And it's to do with how microfine that glitter is. This is glitter made to mix it into eyeshadows. They're little samples I got ages ago, and I've just been using them ever since. I'll go back into the blue as well. Use this more for the outer corner. Sorry, my camera cut out on me there. I've just tied it up underneath my eyes. Yeah, so this is going to be the last makeup tutorial you're going to see until the last week of November, at which point there will then be a countdown with one video per week. I've set myself that challenge. So from last week of November up until the week of Christmas, it's going to be a makeup tutorial each week, showing you something different to do. With the one on Christmas week, that's going to be a very similar sort of look to this. It's going to be my look for the new year, and they're going to be full face looks, and I'm going to try and see if we can get them all done for today. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and if you do have any suggestions, themes, ideas, anything like that that you really want to see me do, comment below, let me know your ideas, and I'll see what I can do about getting them done. And until next time, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to be honest, fierce, and beautiful. See you next time. Not spilling drinks on the floor. You know, with Belle Eye, you'll understand that this is the Willem eye. It's literally get black, biggest brush you can, just chuck it all in the eye. Essentially, that's what I'm doing here.